Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another unboxing video. So this is the unboxing of Speedlight, which is from Young New. As you can see, this is the fourth version of the Speedlight. This is the must-have flash in your um, video camera equipments. I think this is the best you can get for this price. This is for $85 from Amazon I bought, and I already tested out some of the take some of the pictures with it outdoor at night, and I will share with you guys in this video. So first you will get user manual to use this flash, how you can use with your camera, and then the nice bag comes with this, very nice. And also, you can see this is a flash. Let me remove this bag and I will show you how it looks from inside. So as you can see, this is, come on, here you go. This is how it looks right now, and it's pretty solid build quality. And this is the front screen where you'll do all your settings, and basically this is plug and play. You have to just mount on your camera and turn it on. Let me show you. It does get AA batteries, 4 AA batteries on the side of this flash, as you can see. So right here you're gonna put AA batteries. Some of the connections on this side, which I don't know actually, this is for what, I have no idea. I did not use it. However, I already test this flash at night outdoor, and it does have pretty good quality with the flash. It does make a lot of difference if you have this flash in your photography, especially at the night time. So let's open this front. It has this diffuser on the front of it, as you can see. So when I open this, it's pop up this diffuser on front of the flash, and this one on the top. So you're gonna use like this. So it's just gonna reflect the white light onto your subject. So it's just very nice diffuser also, and it does smooth out the light on the face. And then it has also different angles which you can use. So with this product, one thing was missing, which was the small stand. If you want to use this flash with the trigger on your camera, like wirelessly, and you can put this to next to your subject, and then you can use with your flash. But how you can use this, you have to have this trigger. I'm gonna show you right here. Let me unbox it and I will show you what's inside. I did already tested this, that how it works. So I never used this before. So it does take a AA battery. This is how it looks, as you can see. So it's pretty nice build, and literally just plug and play. All you have to do is mount on the top of the camera and select the settings, and which I will explain you guys later on another video. Well, I will show you more of simple. So this is what you get inside. However, I do have an issue with this delivery, because on the post they mentioned there is a small stand that's should be included with this delivery, but it's missing from both of the packages, which is, they both are the separate product. So I have to order these separately. So in this also, there are small stands supposed to come with this package, but it did not. So I already ordered a replacement unit for this, and with the flash I did not have any issue. I will add some pictures of a night portrait which I took with my 50mm f1.8 lens, which is right now on my Canon USR. So you will see the result after on those pictures. So this is pretty bright flash. You must have this in your photography light kit, especially if you take night portraits photography, which is gonna totally change the game how you take the night portraits, because I already tested it, and I was not expecting it to be um, great for this price range, but it's pretty amazing. One of the YouTuber is Peter McKinnon. I watch his videos, and he recommend this flash. So I bought this, and it's pretty amazing. And I already tested this flash wirelessly, and it works perfectly fine. The only issue is I did not have the standing mount, so I can put it somewhere else and like face to the person wherever I am taking the pictures of, and it's just missing the stand. So the replacement unit is coming tomorrow. Hopefully they'll send me with the stand, which I already mentioned to them that this is the only thing is missing. And there are very small scratches on this front sensor here on the red one. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera, might be able to see like this. So it seems like it was already used, and this was opened. I bought it from Amazon, so I bought it new, not even used. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted when the next unit arrives. Hopefully it comes with the stand, and then I will be testing this in the daylight, also outdoor, and I will show you result without the flash and with this flash. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.